Welcome children in online class. All of you know that there are so many living organisms in nature. For example, tiger, elephant, dog, cat, birds like sparrows, crow, parrot, including human being also. Different organs in our body are working in group so as to smoothly carry out various life processes. These life processes takes place in various steps. Specific organs carry out the specific steps. Group of organs working together to perform a specific function is called as organ system. Various organ systems like digestive, respiratory, circulatory, nervous, excretory, reproductive, skeletal, muscular, etc. are functioning in our body. Energy is essential to operate all the life processes in human body. Energy production occurs within the cells. Cells need the supply of soluble nutrients and oxygen for this purpose. This supply takes place with the help of respiratory and circulatory systems. Respiration is carried out through following three steps: external respiration, inspiration, or inhalation. Air is taken in through nose and sent towards the lungs through trachea. Expiration or exhalation. Oxygen from the inspired air goes into blood. Blood carries the CO2 from various parts of body towards lungs. This air is given out by exhalation. Both of these processes occurring with the help of lungs are collectively called as external respiration. Internal respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissues fluid is called as internal respiration. Oxygen moves from blood into tissue fluid and carbon dioxide moves from tissue fluid into blood. Cellular respiration. Dissolved nutrients like glucose are slowly burnt with the help of oxygen and energy is released in the form of ATP. Waste material like CO2 and water vapors are produced during this process. Cellular respiration can be summarized as follows. Let us learn structure and function of respiratory system. Nose. Respiratory system and respiration begins with nose. Air is filtered with the help of hair and mucus present in the nose. Pharynx. Food pipe and windpipe originate in the pharynx. Windpipe is present in front of the food pipe. There is a lid at the beginning of windpipe. This lid encloses the windpipe during passing of food into food pipe and thereby normally prevents the entry of food particles into windpipe. Otherwise, windpipe remains open. Hence, air passes through pharynx into windpipe. Windpipe. Windpipe is swollen at the beginning due to sound box. Windpipe bifurcates in the thorax. One branch enters the right lung and the other into left lung. Lungs. A lung is present on either sides of heart in thoracic cavity. Maximum area of thoracic cavity is occupied by lungs and they cover the maximum part of heart. Each lung has double layered covering. It is called as pleura. Lungs are elastic like a sponge. Lungs are made up of many small compartments called as alveoli. Rich network of capillaries is present around each alveolus. Walls of alveoli and capillaries are extremely thin. Gaseous exchange can easily take place across these thin walls. As large number of alveoli is present in lungs, larger surface is available for gaseous exchange. Exchange of gases in lungs. Gaseous exchange occurs continuously while blood is circulating around the alveoli. An iron-containing protein hemoglobin is present in the RBCs of blood. Hemoglobin absorbs the oxygen from air within alveoli. Simultaneously, CO2 and water vapors move from blood into the alveoli. Thus, oxygen is taken into the blood and CO2 and water vapors are removed from the blood and given out by exhalation. Diaphragm. A muscular partition is present at the base of thoracic cage. This partition is called as diaphragm. It is present between the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Simultaneous rising up of ribs and lowering of diaphragm causes the decrease in pressure on lungs. Observe the movements in the region below the thoracic cage in the animals which are in your surroundings. In the next lesson, we will learn blood circulatory system. Take care. Bye.